Understanding fish in a small pond, a dive into idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, fish in a small pond. Understanding idioms like this can add a colorful layer to your English communication skills. Let's uncover the meaning, usage, and history behind this phrase, making it easier for you to integrate it into your daily conversations. The phrase, fish in a small pond, refers to a person who is considered a big deal in a limited context but might not be as notable in a larger context. It's like being a big, important fish in a small body of water where it's easy to stand out due to the lack of competition. When you move that fish to a larger pond or ocean, it might become just one of many, losing its standout status. To help you grasp how to use this idiom, let's look at some examples. He was the best player on his local sports team, a real fish in a small pond, but when he went to compete nationally, he found the competition much tougher. She felt like a big fish in a small pond at her small town job, so she moved to the city for more challenging opportunities. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe situations where someone's significance is tied to the limited scope of their surroundings. The idiom, fish in a small pond, doesn't have a clear, single origin story, but it's been used in English literature and common speech for centuries. The visual metaphor it creates helps explain its lasting popularity. It effectively conveys the idea of relative importance and the impact of changing environments on someone's status or ego. When using this idiom, it's important to consider the context. It can be both an observation and a caution. As an observation, it's a neutral or positive statement about someone's big fish status in a small environment. As a caution, it warns about overestimating one's abilities or importance due to limited comparison. Always ensure the context is clear to avoid misunderstandings. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, fish in a small pond. We hope this video sheds light on how idioms enrich the English language and help you express complex ideas in simple, vivid terms. Don't forget to practice using this idiom in your conversations to become more fluent and expressive in English. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.